ago. Sabi niya, mag-grade 11 daw siya. Tapos sakto nagka-team pa kami.
Ako yun.
Sino yun? Ang gamit niya si Gushon.
Ako po.
Sino yun?
Ivan po.
Ivan.
Sanon po.
Totoo, nagkalaro tayo. Madaling araw yun.
Oo nga po. Nagulat nga rin po ako. Picture niyo yung nakalagay.
Akalain mo sa buong mundo tapos naging magkakampi pa tayo. Tago. Sabi niya, mag-grade 11 daw siya. Tapos sakto nagka-team pa kami. Sino yun?
Rafaela user yan.
Wala na main ko si Rafaela, kaso pagdating sa Epic, hindi na magandang gamitin yung Rafaela. Laging natatalo. Kaya move on tayo sa ibang Kaya nag-tank naman tayo ngayon.
Para sa na lang, sir.
Wow.
Ayokong mag-mage eh. Gusto ko tank naman. Kasi
Sir, hyper carry.
Pragad.
Wow, binuwala-wala pa ako ni WMC. Mamaya, after nito, mamayang hapon, tayo. Maglaro tayo.
5-man.
Oo nga, pabuhat sa
Mga kayo,
Lego.
sir. Automatic.
Hindi kasi ako naglalaro ng hindi rank. Ang nilalaro ko puro rank.
Pa-accept daw po si Rap. Para po sulit.
Oo, kahit na matalo, okay lang.
Mga kayo,
Pa-accept daw po si Rap.
Si Ralph, na-accept ko na si Ralph. Okay guys, so ulitin natin, ano yung equation ng circle if the center is located at the origin? Miss Carrillo?
Pa?
What is the equation of the circle if the center is located at the origin?
Distance po ba yun?
Equation. Standard form if the center is located at the origin.
Ano po? D equals square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Yun po ba yun, sir?
Hindi po. Distance formula po yan. Ang hinahanap po natin is equation of the circle with center at the origin.
Sir, ako po.
Sir, ano po? Okay.
Ako po. Sir, ako po.
May reaction tayo na raise your hand. Pwede kayo mag-raise ng hand. Meron ata dyan. Ayan, Miss Maigi.
Sir, x squared plus y squared is equal to radius squared.
Okay, very good. So, next, paano naman kunwari yung center natin nasa HK na? What will be the formula or the standard equation? Okay, please raise your hand if you want to answer. Who would like to answer? Raise your hand. Hindi yan Vincent. Hindi yan raise ng hand. Meron diyang reaction na raise hand.
Sir, hindi gumahanap. Nasa po ba yung raise your hand?
So guys, nasan daw yung raise hand?
Nandun sa tatlong tuldok.
Sige nga, Miss Pangelinan, what is the standard equation?
X minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared.
Okay, so that is the standard equation of a circle with center located at HK. So what if given ka ng dalawang diameter, given ka ng endpoints ng diameter, anong gagawin mo para makuha yung center? Ano yung gagawin mo para makuha yung center? Yes, Jade.
Kukunin po, sir, yung midpoint.
And then?
Sir, paulit mo ng tanong.
Actually, nasagot mo na yung tanong. Okay na yon. Okay. So after that, paano naman makukuha yung radius if you are given 2 points sa diameter? Anong gagawin para makuha yung radius? What are we going to do? Yes, Miss Pajernos?
Distance formula po.
Distance formula, anong point yung gagamitin mo sa distance formula para makuha yung radius?
Radius. X-axis po.
I mean, anong point? Yung center ba? Saka yung isang point o yung dalawang endpoint ng diameter? Yes, Miss Pajernos.
Center po.
Ano?
Center po.
Center and
Diameter.
one endpoint of the diameter. So, yun yung pagkuha natin. So, saan tayo natapos na problem? What was our last problem?
Sir, yung number 3 po.
Number 3 pa lang ba tayo, guys? Oh my G.
Opo, sir.
Andun pa lang pala tayo. So, hindi tayo magla-lunch. Charot. Eto pa lang ba tayo? Or walang tayo? Yan pa lang ba, guys? Paki-check.
Tapos na po ata dyan.
Tapos na dito. Alam ko, tapos na din dito.
Tapos na din po dyan.
Yari na po
Opo,
yan.
sir.
Eh di, nandito na tayo.
Tapos na din po dyan, sir.
Na din po dyan.
Di, nandito na. Or tapos
Sir,
na rin.
doon pa lang po sa bilog. Sa circle po na may center, camera.
Ay, hindi. Wag na muna yun.
Ay, dyan pa lang po, sir.
Okay, so nandito na. Okay. If this is the case, we're given the center and sabi dito, tangent daw siya to the y-axis. Pag binigyan ka ng ganito, hindi mo kasi alam ko ano yung radius niya. All you have to do first is to graph. So sabihin natin 5, negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, this is the center. And the center is located at 5, negative 6. Okay, sabi tangent to the y-axis. When we say tangent to the y-axis, ibig sabihin yung circle daw natin ay nakadikit kung saang axis man siya sinabi. Anong sabi? Saan daw nakadikit yung circle natin?
5 and negative.
So, y-axis po.
Y-axis po.
Asan ba yung y-axis? Asan ba yung y-axis, guys?
Negative 6.
Ito ba yung
Negative 6 po.
y-axis? Ito ba
Sir,
yung
yung
y-axis?
patayo. Sir, yung patayo.
Yung patayo, sir.
Horizontal po.
Ito yung y-axis. Ito ba yung y-axis, guys? Ito?
Opo.
Okay,
Vertical.
so if that is the y-axis, sabi daw ay nakadikit daw yung circle natin doon. So, idikit natin yung circle natin. So, nakadikit daw siya dito. Yung isang endpoint daw niya ay nandoon. Hala, what happened? Hirap talagang mag-ano. Oop. Pangit tuloy. Ala? Naburo-buro? Ala? Okay. So, sabi nakadikit daw siya doon. So, ididikit natin yung circle natin doon. And this is now our circle with center located at 5 and negative 6. Okay. So, anong mapapansin nyo? Di ba mula dito hanggang dito, this is our radius.
Radius.
Tama? Ito ba radius ba to?
Yes, sir.
Radius din siya. Pero, hindi siya dumikit. Dumikit ba siya sa x-axis? Dumikit ba siya?
Hindi po.
Hindi po.
Hindi siya dumikit. Therefore,
Hindi po.
ito lang. Dito lang siya dumikit. Ibig sabihin, mula dito sa y-axis, papunta dun sa center, that is the radius. And how much? At ilan siya? 5. Therefore, r is equal to 5. What is our equation? Our equation is x minus 5.
Square, 1 3 squared.
Quantity squared
minus 5
plus
quantity squared
y
plus
squared
minus
y
y minus
y plus 6. Tama. Y plus
y
6
plus
quantity squared is equal to
5
5
squared.
squared. Therefore, this becomes x minus 5 quantity squared plus y plus 6 quantity squared is equal to 25. Is this clear?
5.
Yes po.
Yes. Opo.
Okay. Paano kunwari pinalitan? Sabi hindi na daw siya sa y-axis. Kunwari sinabi dito, it
X-axis.
becomes x-axis.
Sir, doon naman po sa X.
Ano naman yung pagpaparisa natin na radius? Saan naman? Ibig sabihin,
X-axis po.
6
ang
naman po
magiging
yung
radius
radius.
naman, ito naman yung
Opo.
magiging radius natin. Tama ba? At pag nag-drawing
Yung
tayo
five.
ng circle, ito yung magiging itsura ng circle natin dahil doon naman siya sa y-axis, ay sa x-axis, tumama. Tama ba?
Opo.
Opo.
Okay, therefore, gaano kalaki yun? Gaano kahaba to? Gaano kahaba? Bilangin naman natin yung eto, yung y naman. Gaano kahaba yung y? 6. Therefore, the radius is equal to 6. At yung equation natin ay magiging x minus 5 quantity squared plus y plus 6
1 plus
quantity squared is equal to
36.
5.
6 squared.
36. Are we clear?
Yes po.
Okay,
Yes,
so wala
sir.
nang tanong sa point of tangency. So if there are no more questions, let's move on. So alam na natin yun. Okay, so this is now equation of the circle in general form. Okay, kung in general form to, ano ba yung pinag-aralan natin last time? Anong tawag sa form na yon? Anyone? Please raise your hand if you would like to answer. Yes, Miss Chris po?
Sir, standard form po.
Standard form or other term for that one?
Center radius form?
Center radius form. We call that as the center.
Center origin.
For this one, ang tawag naman natin dito is general form. Okay, so this is our general form. As a general form, mapapansin nyo, it is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Okay, let's have an example para mas magets nyo siya. Aha. Okay, so this is considered as a circle in general form. Okay, for example, I have here an equation. X squared plus y squared plus 3x plus 7y plus 50 is equal to 0. Do you think this equation is in general form? Kamukha ba siya ng equation na nasa taas?
Opo.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, this is in
Yes.
general form.
Yes.
Therefore, this is an equation of the circle in general form. Why? Always remember that the right side should be equal to 0. Ano yung f? F is the constant. Pag sinabi nating f, constant siya, ayun po siya. Pag sinabi nating constant, it is a number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to positive infinity, negative infinity. Okay. So, this is dx and ey. Ibig sabihin, 3 is the value of d and e is the value and 7 is the value of e. They are the coefficients of x and y. Maliwanag? Okay. So, and for the next one, we have x squared and y squared. Remember na dapat x squared and y squared lang siya. Wala siya dapat number dito. Ha? Or kung may number man siya, kailangan, for example, next tayo na na equation. For example, I have here 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 7x plus 5y minus 70 is equal to 0. Do you think it's still an equation? It is a general form of the equation of the circle? Sa tingin nyo?
No.
Why?
No po.
Why?
Kasi po wala naman pong number dun sa
Kasi po may number
formula.
yung x and y.
Okay.
Yeah.
So anong gagawin mo para maging
Maglalagay po
general
ng
form?
over 4.
Very good. So, maglalagay tayo ng over 4 para maging general form siya at magka-cancel na lang yung lahat ng 4 na yan at ang matitira na lang is si x squared saka si y squared. Paano kunwari magkaiba yung coefficients ni x squared saka ni y squared? For example, I have here 5x squared plus 7y squared plus 8x plus 9y minus 100 is equal to 0. Sa tingin nyo ba equation siya ng circle? Sa tingin nyo ba equation siya ng circle?
If
Why? Why not?
Pwede i-cancel.
Hindi pwede i-cancel kasi
Kaiba po.
Wala namang magkamukha.
Wala pong magkamukha.
very good. They are not the same. The coefficients of x squared and y squared are not the same. Therefore, it is not considered an equation of the circle. Always remember na isa sa katangian ng circle is dapat magkamukha yung coefficient nito sa coefficient nito. For example, ito ay 7. Kung ito ay 7, dapat ito din ay 7. Is that clear? Pero hindi pa siya in general form. Kasi kung in general form siya, dapat ang makikita lang natin dito is x squared lang at y squared. Sana maliwanag yon. Okay, paano naman kunwari meron akong ganito? Paano kunwari meron akong ganito? Ang sabi naman sa akin, ito. Ang naging equation ko is x squared minus y squared plus 7x plus 8y minus 55 is equal to 0. Do you think this is an equation of the circle in general form?
no.
Anyone?
Hindi po.
Miss Manuel? Mr. Manuel?
Opo. Sasayusin lang po siya, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes po.
Okay, so another answer. Do you think this is an equation of the circle in general form?
Yes.
Sir, hindi po.
Yes po.
Mr. Raro,
Yes, sir.
sa tingin mo, equation siya ng circle in general form?
Hindi po. Ay, yes po.
Bakit yes?
Ay, hindi po.
Bakit hindi? Ano ba
Kasi
yan?
kung
Yung mga,
ito-
yung
Sir.
mga ano ngayon? Bago-bago ng isip, kaya hindi sila
Sir,
nagtatanong.
hindi po.
Sir, ako po.
Serious po.
Sino yun?
Opo.
Ano po?
Sir,
Ay,
Chelsea
sir.
po.
Chelsea.
Sir, hindi po.
Bakit?
Kasi po naiba po ng sign.
Very good. Kasi iba yung sign. It is not anymore considered a circle if that is negative. Tandaan nyo, kung yung kung yung x squared ay positive, tapos biglang naging negative yung y squared, hindi pwede. Or nagkabaligtad sila. Sabihin natin naging positive si y squared, tapos naging negative si x squared, hindi siya circle. At anong tawag sa kanya kung hindi siya circle? Tapos pareho silang naka-squared, tapos minus yung nasa gitna. It is now called hyperbola. Hyperbola. Is that clear? Tatandaan nyo na, kapag nag-negative yung nasa gitna ni x squared at ni y squared, therefore, it is not a circle. It becomes hyperbola. Okay, paano kunwari? Ganito yung binigay sa akin. Paano kunwari, ano na may binigay sa akin? Kunwari, 5y squared. 5x squared plus y squared. Parang circle, ano? Parang circle. Tama? Tama ba? Parang circle, pero hindi magkamukha ng coefficient. Pero ano yung sign sa gitna nila? What is the sign?
Positive.
Positive po.
Para paring circle. Okay, kapag ganyan, tapos x squared pa rin at y squared, pero magkaiba ng coefficient, ang tawag natin dyan, ellipse. Maliwanag. Pero kapag nag-equal, yung may 5 pa rin dun sa y, kapag nagkaroon ng 5 dun sa y, kapag nagkaroon ng 5 dito sa may y, circle siya ulit. Is that clear? Okay. Paano naman sir yung mga ano naman sir yung equation ng parabola? Paano magiging ano? Okay, kapag parabola, tandaan nyo, napakadali. Sobrang dali lang malaman kung parabola siya. Bakit? Kasi hindi pwedeng magsabay na naka-square si x saka si y. For example, eto, x squared plus y squared. Ay, hindi pwede yan. Kailangan, isa lang yung naka-squared. Kunwari, x squared plus y. Parabola yung makukuha mo. Maliwanag. Okay, or y squared plus x. Parabola yan. Basta isa lang yung naka-square dun sa variable, hindi siya sabay na x at y, therefore it is considered as what? As a parabola.
Parabola.
Okay? Is this clear? Okay, so let's now have an example. I hope na napanood nyo na iba kong video regarding this one. Kapag given tayo ng general form, how do we solve for the center of the circle? Anyone? How do we solve for the center of the circle? And the radius? Dun sa video ko, getting the midpoint pa ba tayo, guys? Are we still getting the midpoint? Ano yung way, ano yung method na ginamit ko para ma-solve yung center and yung radius? Sige nga.
Negative over 2 quantity squared.
Ano yung ginagamit natin? Ano yung ginagamit nating method? Dapat alam niyo yun.
Sir, negative b over 2 quantity squared.
Oh, ano yung tawag doon sa negative b over 2 quantity squared? Or b over 2 squared? Anong tawag natin doon sa method na yon? Sinong nakakaalala? Lagi ko siyang sinasabi, eto siya, oh. Eto siya. Yan siya. Ano kayang tawag sa kanya? Hello.
Concentric po.
Asa room? Ay, asa bahay?
Counter-strike.
Sa bahay. Pumasok ako kanina yung susi ko pala na kay Allen. Wala. Saan gym? Hindi, wala pa. Hindi pa daw ah. Oo. Sige. Bakit? Sige. Okay, what is that method?
Completing the square po.
Very good. It is completing the square. Okay, so what is the formula for completing the square? It could either be negative b over 2 quantity squared or b over 2 squared. Kahit nawala yan na yung negative, okay lang kasi bakit? Ini-square naman natin siya. So, ang lalabas pa rin sa kanya is, Jade, ano yung lalabas pa rin na value sa kanya? Positive pa rin yung lalabas na value sa kanya. Maliwanag. Okay, so let's now try to have an example. Para mas okay, ito yung example natin. Transform x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 2y is equal to 55 into center radius form. Okay, so in order for us to transform this into center radius form, yung center radius form kasi natin is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. So kailangan maging ganito daw. At para maging ganito equation natin, all we have to do is to complete the square. Okay. Bakit ba tayo nag-complete the square? Sa tingin nyo, bakit tayo nag-complete the square? We are completing the square so that it becomes a perfect square binomial. So, para magkaroon ng factor. Okay, so kaya tayo nag-complete the square. Okay, if you have this one, all you have to do is to write. Okay, this becomes x squared. Sabi dito kasi, ang first na step na gagawin natin is lahat ng x pag samasamahin sa kaliwa.
X squared plus 10x.
Okay, lahat daw ng x pag samasamahin natin sa kaliwa. Papilahin muna natin. Okay, so this becomes x squared plus 10x plus Yung i-complete natin, tama ba? Lagyan natin ng line yung i-complete natin para alam natin kung ano siya. Next one naman is yung y. This becomes plus y squared
Plus,
minus 2y
2y.
plus yung i-complete natin, tama? Is now equal to 55 plus yung i-complete natin na isa dito plus yung i-complete naman natin na isa dito sa dulo. Is that clear? Okay, so how do we solve pa nga? How do we solve? B over 2 squared. Tama ba? B over 2 squared. What is our B for this one? What is our B for this one?
10 po.
10. What is 10 divided by 2?
5
5 po.
Okay, so this becomes 10 over 2 squared.
25.
Therefore, this becomes 25. Kung nag-add ka ng 25 dyan, mag-a-add ka din ng 25 dito. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, dito naman sa kabila, we have b over 2, that is negative 2 over 2 squared. Okay, what is negative 2 over 2? That is negative 1. Negative 1 squared is?
1 po.
1. This is plus 1, therefore this is also plus 1. Maliwanag? Okay, so we now factor. Factor natin, ano daw yung factor ni x squared plus 10x plus 25? Okay, technique
5 po.
lang. Kung ganyan, ang pinapahanap tayo ng factor, remember na ang gagawin lang natin is to get the square root of the first term. What is the square root of the first term? Square root of x squared. Anong nangyayari kapag ganyan? Di ba nakaka-cancel lang yung square?
X.
Therefore, this is x. Ilagay mo ngayon si x dito. Ano yung magiging sign sa gitna? Yung sign sa gitna, yung sign ng middle term. Ano ba yung sign ng middle term natin?
Positive.
Positive.
Plus.
Okay. So, and the last term now is kukuhanin mo yung square root ni 25. What is the square root of 25?
5.
5 po.
Therefore, this is x plus 5 quantity squared. Plus, dito naman, what will be the factor? Y.
Y
Minus.
minus 5.
Okay. Y minus 1 quantity squared is equal to 55 plus 25 is 80 plus 1, that is 81. Okay.
81.
Therefore, where is the center located? The center is located at negative 5,
5 and
positive 1.
negative 5 and positive 1.
What is the radius? The radius is equal
81
to
po.
9. To 9. Because
9 square root po.
81 is 9.
Okay.
Is that clear?
81.
Okay.
Yes.
So, this is how we graph. Ito yung pag-graph natin ng circle natin. Kung hindi, yung iba kung hindi makakonect, naka-live tayo sa YouTube. So, pwede nilang balikan. So, this is the graph. So, let us plot first negative 5, 1. So, ayun yung negative 5 and positive 1. And then the radius is 9. So, from the center, pupunta tayo sa kanan ng 9 at pupunta tayo sa kaliwa ng 9. So, if this is the given, what is the diameter? Sige nga, what is the diameter?
Ano, 18 po?
18. Very good. Why 18?
Kasi po, yung radius po, di ba po kalahati po ng diameter. So, 9 plus 9 po is equals to 18.
Okay, so that is the diameter. Okay, so let's have another example. Identify the center and the radius. Sige nga guys, please try to answer this one for 2 minutes. Could you please identify the center and the radius using completing the square? Okay, are you done? So, sino na yung nakatapos? Bilis naman ni Jade. Sige nga, Jade. Meron ka bang pansulat dyan sa'yo? Pwede mo bang isulat sa screen? Kaya mo bang isulat sa screen yung sagot mo?
Sir,
Kaya
sagot
ba?
lang.
Oo. Ay, pati yung solution? Sulat mo nga sa screen?
Sir, wag na yung sagot na lang. Maliit yung screen ko.
Bakit? Kayang-kaya mo yan. Daliri mo lang. Ganun. Daliri.
Sige pa. Sir, mahirap.
O, di ba? So, ngayon, alam mo na yung pakiramdam kung paano ako hirapan.
Sir,
O,
yung
diba?
sagot na lang.
So, sige, sige. What is your answer?
Sir, sabihin ko na nga lang. Sir, yung center po, 0 po, tsaka po negative 4. Tapos po yung radius po 7. Tama po ba?
Tingin mo, tama ba?
Tama, sir.
Opo.
Okay, guys, tama ba? Nakuha nyo din ba? Sabi
Opo,
ni
sir.
Jade, the center, sabi ni Jade, yung center daw is located at 0
0.
and
Negative 4.
negative 4. And then the radius is equal to?
7.
Okay, so nakuha ba lahat ng kung bakit nagaganito? Okay, so try natin. May tanong ako sa inyo, may kasama ba si X? Na iba pang X?
Wala na po.
Wala na.
Wala po.
Therefore, kung mag-isa lang siya, magzi-zero agad yan.
Zero.
Automatic.
Maliwanag. For
Apo.
example, kung si Y naman yung walang kasama, anong mangyayari dun sa Y niya?
0 po.
Zero po.
So, dapat alam mo na agad yun. Therefore, hindi na natin i-complete si X. Kasi pag kinomplete natin to, this becomes X squared plus Y squared plus 8Y plus 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 squared is 16. Tama? Is now equal to 33 plus 16.
16.
This becomes X squared plus Y squared plus 8Y plus 16. What will be the factor? The factor would be Y
4. Y
plus
minus Y plus
Y plus 4
4.
quantity squared is equal to 49.
49.
Therefore, the center is located at 0, negative 4. And that the radius is equal to the square root of 49. Therefore, the radius is
7.
7.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, so maliwanag na dito?
Opo.
Okay.
Opo.
Let's have another example. Okay, bakit ano ngayon? Paano ngayon yung gagawin natin dyan? Guys, nakita nyo yung example, meron ng 4. Meron ng 4. Tapos may mga coefficient na. Ano kayang gagawin dyan sa tingin nyo? Kapag may coefficient na siya, what do we do?
I-divide po sa 4.
I-divide
squared
sa
po.
4. I-divide
I-divide sa 4.
sa 4. Okay, so I'll give you 2 minutes to answer. Sige nga, i-divide natin sa 4 and then please identify the center and the radius.
Hirap nun eh.
Sir, excuse me po. Sir.
Hello, yes.
Sir, yung sa ano po, yung sa... paano po i-divide yung 3? Kasi kapag po dinivide po siya sa 2, magiging 1.5. Tapos i-square root po. Ano po, i-square. Ang lalabas po decimal.
Bakit decimal? Kailangan siya ay fraction.
Paano yun?
Paano po na-stop po kami dun lahat?
Nahinto po kami sa 3.
Ayan, ba't kayo nahinto?
Sir, na-stuck po ako dun sa ano. Hindi ko po alam, nakalimutan ko po yun po sa negative, sa minus 11 po.
Okay, so tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano
Nakuha ko na po yung radius.
if it is
Pero
in
yung
fraction. So, try natin siyang isolve. Wait lang, may i-delete lang ako sa friends ko. Wait lang guys ha.
Okay.
Okay guys, so I'm back. Okay, so ganito lang yung gagawin natin if this is the case. Okay, huwag kayong nalilito if may fraction. So, pag dinivide natin siya lahat by 4, magiging ganito yung itsura niya. So, it becomes x squared plus 3x. Tama ba? 12 divided by 4. Tama? 3x plus, ano i-add natin sa kanya? Ano i-add natin sa kanya? 3 divided by 2 is 3 divided by 2. Squared, that becomes 9 over 4. Are we clear? Okay. Plus, 4y squared divided by 4 is just y squared. Plus, 16 divided by 4 is just 4y. 4 divided by 4 is how much? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Is now equal to, transpose negative 11 to the other side. That becomes positive 11 plus 9 over 4 plus 4. Tama ba? Ito ba yung nakuha nyo sa right side? Guys, ito ba yung nakuha nyo sa right side?
Malayo po, sir.
Ganyan po, sir. Pero po yung alam ko yung fraction.
Ganyan po.
Yung fraction. Okay, so ganito siya dapat. Okay, so if this is the case, we need to get the factor muna. What will be the factor? This becomes x plus, what is the square root of 9 over 4? Ano yung square root ni 9 over 4? That is 3 over 2 squared. Naintindihan kung bakit naging ganito yung factor niya? Okay, plus y squared plus 4y plus 4, what would be the factor? That becomes y plus 2 quantity squared. Is now equal to what? Is now equal to 11 plus 4, 15. Tama? 15 plus 9 over 4. Okay, 15 plus 9 over 4. LCD is 4. 4 times 15. I know. Kailangan pa pala natin i-divide si 11 by 4. So sorry. Kasi kasama din siya. So kailangan i-divide din natin yung 11 by 4. Maliwanag kung bakit naging ganon. So hindi ito yung right side natin. Tama? Nagets kung bakit pati si 11 dinivide ng 4? Kasi lahat dapat ng nasa equation, dinivide natin siya ng 4. Maliwanag. Okay. So, paano ngayon tayo mag-a-add ng fraction? If this is the case, we'll now be having 11 over 4 plus 9 over 4 plus 4. All we have to do is to get the LCD. Okay, so what is the LCD of 11 over 4 plus 9 over 4? Plus 4. The LCD should be 4 kasi siya yung common, least common denominator. Yung 4, because this is whole number, we could write this as 4 over 1. Tama ba? Ito lang guys yung technique sa fraction. So, ito yung gagawin nyo. 4 divided by 4. What is 4 divided by 4?
1 po.
1. 1 times 11.
11 po.
11. So, 11 yung ilalagay mo dyan. Plus, dahil ito ay plus, ilalagay mo 11 plus, same step, 4 divided by 4 is what?
1 po.
1. 1 times 9 is?
9 po.
Plus 9. Okay. 4, for the last term, 4 divided by 1?
4 po.
4 times 4.
16 po.
16. Therefore, this should be plus 6. What is 18? What is 11 plus 9?
20 po.
20 plus 16.
36 po.
36. Therefore, yung right side natin is magiging, it becomes 36 over 4. And what is 36 over 4? 36 over 4? 12? What is 36 over 4?
9?
9. Okay, therefore, what is the center? What is the center? The center is negative 3 over 2 and negative 2. What is the radius?
9.
The radius is it 9?
9.
R squared, right?
3,
Therefore, what is the radius? The radius is equal to 3. Is that clear? Okay, therefore, the radius is equal to 3. Naget?
Opo.
Okay. So, next example tayo. Okay, so I'll be calling 3 students to answer. Okay, so sinong gustong sumagot? Ay, ako na lang tatawag. Sino yan? Sino yung sasagot ang number 1? Sinong gusto? For number 1, ang sasagot sa number 1 is si John Mike Ramirez. For number 2, ang sasagot si Lorenzen Santos. And for number 3, ang sasagot is si Sofia Bailon. I'll be giving you 3 minutes to answer.
Sir, pwede kami magsagot kahit hindi natawag.
Yes naman, para alam natin kung tama yung sagot na nakuha nila or hindi siya kamukha ng answer niya.
Sige po, sir. Thank you.
Tapos na ba sa letter A? Sino yung tinawag natin na sasagot ng letter A? Hello? Sino?
Sir, ako po.
Okay na, nasagutan mo na?
Paano po sir ipapakita po yung answer?
Kaya mo bang magsulat sa sa cellphone mo? Gamit mo ba cellphone?
Po.
Ayan, pwede kang pwede mong pindutin yung annotate. Yung parang may pencil ka na makikitang maliit dyan.
Sige po.
Tapos pwede mo siyang isulat.
Ano ba? Nakikita po ba?
Oo, nakikita.
Pangit. Sir, ang hirap.
Mahirap. O, di ba? Ngayon, alam mo na yung feeling na nararamdaman ko. O, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo. Okay, so, dikta mo na lang kung ano yung nakuha mong answer. Ako na lang yung magsusulat.
X squared plus 0 po. 0. Tama po ba? Plus 0. And y squared plus positive 3 is equal to
Wait lang ha. This is x squared plus y squared minus 6x. Therefore, this becomes...
Opo.
Dapat ito ay... Ayusin mo muna siya dapat. Dapat this becomes x squared minus 6x plus y squared is equal to 7. May kasama ba si y squared? Wala. Therefore, yung isang coordinate ng center is 0 na agad.
Baliktad.
Ang i-complete mo na lang is... Okay, who would like to help? Sino gustong tumulong at magsabi kung paano yung naging solution niya? For number 1. Anong pangalan, please?
Ernel po.
Ernel. Okay, so pakidikta nga.
Sagot na lang po ba, sir?
Ha?
Sagot na lang po isasabihin.
Dikta mo na lang sa akin yung solution mo. Therefore, this becomes x squared minus 6x plus... Plus what?
Plus 9.
Plus 9. Therefore, this becomes x minus 3 quantity squared. And the center is located at 3, 0.
3.
Tama? Okay. If that is plus 9, mag-a-add din tayo dapat ng plus 9 dito. What is 7 plus 9?
Ano po? 16 po.
16. Therefore, what is square root of 16?
4
po.
4. Therefore, the radius is equal to 4. Did you get the same answer? This should be our answer because that is the correct answer. Maliwanag.
Opo.
Okay, how about for the second one, Lorenzen?
Teka lang po, sir.
Sige lang.
Sir, excuse po.
Yes.
Sir, tanong ko lang po. Ginawa ko po kasi, tinry ko po siyang i-divide sa 2 lahat po. Kasi po, ano naman po sa lahat.
Bakit i-divide mo siya sa 2?
Yun.
Why would you divide it by 2? Eh di ba okay naman yung coefficient ng x squared sa ng y squared? Therefore, there is no need for you to divide it by 2. Is that clear?
Sige, sige po, sir.
Okay na, Lorenzen?
Sir, medyo naguguluhan pa po ako eh.
Who would like to help?
Ako po. Try ko po, sir.
Sino yan?
Po.
Sino yan?
Kate po.
Okay.
Maigi po.
Miss Maigi,
Sir,
sige.
di ba po? Yung center po is 7 and -1 po. Yung radius po is 6.
The center is
7 po and -1.
-1. Center is 7, -1. And the radius is?
6 po.
And the radius is 6. Okay, let's try to answer if this is correct. Okay, so let's try to answer if this is correct. So if we will be completing this, we'll be having x squared plus 14x plus what? Plus 49 is equal, plus y squared plus y squared plus 2y plus 1 is equal to -14 plus 49 plus 1. Tama ba?
Opo.
Okay. Therefore, factoring this out, we'll be having x plus 7 quantity squared plus y plus 2, y plus 1.
Mali.
Negative ba yung y natin? Negative
Sir,
14.
negative po yung x.
14x.
Negative 14 po.
I'm so sorry. This should be negative 14x. Therefore, this should be -7. Okay. Therefore, that is x minus 7 quantity squared plus y plus what? Y plus 1.
1 po.
Y plus 1 quantity squared is equal to -14 plus 49 plus 1. So
36 po.
it becomes 36. Therefore, the center is located at +7, -1, and the radius is equal to 6 units. Is this clear?
Opo.
Okay, and for the last
Question
one,
po.
yes, what is that?
Sir, paano naging -1 yung center? Doon lang po ako nalilito.
Paano pag naging -1 yung center? Kasi, okay, so papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ha. Buburahin ko muna. Buburahin ko muna to para paliwanag ko lang. For example, kasi nandito ka na. Okay, for example, nandiyan ka na. Ay, so sorry, nabura. Okay. For example, nandiyan ka na, nakuha mo na yung dalawa na yan. All you have to do is to x minus 7 is equal to 0. Equate that to 0. And then transpose the number to the other side. It becomes x is equal to +7. Therefore, 1 point is 7. Doon naman sa y plus 1. Y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to -1. Therefore, that is your other point. Or, kung gusto mo, baligtarin mo lang yung sign nito. Ano yung kabaligtaran ng -7? That is +7. Kabaligtaran ng +1, that is -1. Maliwanag?
Opo.
Okay, so other questions? Wala na? Okay, for the last one.
Sir, hindi po alam sagot.
Ba't hindi alam?
Hindi ko po alam gagawin po dun sa 40y/16 kung isi-simplify po.
Oo, sisimplify mo siya.
Yung sinimplify ko po, ang most nakuha ko po is 5/2.
5/2.
Tapos po, ita-times po yung 2 dun sa denominator. Yung po ba yung magiging isang value?
Yes.
5/4 po. Tapos, magiging isa-square po, 25/16. Y plus oh no. Ang magiging factor po ba niya is 5/4 po ulit?
5/4. What do you think? Okay, so I'll leave you that as your assignment. Okay? So, kasi marami na daw hindi makabalik sa ating okay. So, I'll just give you that as your assignment. And then, for our module, sasagutan nyo siya hanggang 12:30, 12:35. So, this is your module. Nakasend na sa Google Classroom nyo yung sasagutan nyo for today. Pero iba pa yung module na sasagutan nyo. Isasend ko mamaya yung module na sasagutan nyo. So, for today,